Polymorphism and software reuse. Definition of polymorphic. Polymorphous, having multiple forms, characters or styles. From Greek roots, poly means many and morphos means forms. Morphos was the Greek god of sleep who could assume many forms, and from which we derive the name morphine among other things. A polymorphic compound can be crystallized in many forms such as carbon, graphite, diamonds or fullerenes. In programming languages, it is used for a variety of different mechanisms. Major forms of polymorphism in object-oriented languages. There are four major forms of polymorphism in object-oriented languages. Overloading, ad hoc polymorphism, a single name that refers to two or more different implementations. Overriding, inclusion polymorphism, a child class redefining a method inherited from a parent class. The polymorphic variable, assignment polymorphism, a variable holding different types of values during the course of execution. It is called pure polymorphism when a polymorphic variable is used as a parameter. Generics or templates, a way of creating general tools or classes by parameterizing on types. Mechanisms for software reuse. Two approaches to software reuse. One of the major goals of object-oriented programming is software reuse. We can illustrate this by considering two different approaches to reuse. Inheritance, the is a relationship. Composition, the has a relationship. We do this by considering an example problem that could use either mechanism. Using inheritance. In the above example, class person is a base class and classes maths teacher and footballer are the derived from the person. The derived class appears with the declaration of a class followed by a colon, the keyword public and the name of base class from which it is derived. Since maths teacher and footballer are derived from person, all data member and member function of person can be accessible from them. Using composition. The below example program shows the concept of composition. There is a parent class car and the other two classes named as Maruti and engine. The relationship between class car, Maruti and engine states that Maruti is a car and Maruti has an engine. Class car has general information such as car details and its color. The class Maruti extends the class car and inherits all its features. It also defines a specific functionality. Advantages and disadvantages of each mechanism. Composition is simple and clear, which indicates what operations are provided. Inheritance makes shorter code, possibly increased functionality, but makes it more difficult to understand what behavior is being provided. Inheritance may open the door for unintended usage by the means of unintended inheritance of behavior. Underlying details using composition are easier to change, that is, change the data representation. Polymorphism may be permitted by inheritance. Very small execution time is the advantage for inheritance. Efficiency and polymorphism. Programming with polymorphism always involves compromises between ease of development and use, readability and efficiency. In this, the efficiency has been considered and dismissed. The advantages of rapid development and consistent behavior and the possibilities of code reuse overcome the small losses in efficiency. Will widespread software reuse become reality? Even though there are right mechanisms, there is no guarantee of the reuse of software to occur. The following are some of the reasons for this. Inheritance and composition provide the means for producing reusable components, but they do not provide guidelines for how such a task should be performed. Producing reusable components is difficult. The benefits cannot usually be realized within a single project. The benefits of developing reusable components do not immediately improve a project. There is usually little incentive for programmers to strive toward reusability. Each new problem typically requires a slightly different set of behaviors. It is often difficult to design a true useful and general purpose software component at the first time. Many programmers and managers are leery of software that has not been developed in-house. Many programmers have little formal training or have not kept pace with recent programming innovations to be aware of mechanisms for reusable software components. Summary. Chapter Summary. Polymorphism in Programming Languages. Mechanism for software reuse. Efficiency and polymorphism. Will widespread software reuse become reality?